Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering and wiring the GAFC so it can control gear. First, plug the 9V adapter into the jack or insert fresh batteries. Make sure polarity matches the label. Next, connect the TRS-EXB/MIDI cable to your amp or multi-FX box. If using DIN MIDI, use a proper MIDI cable. Once done, power on both units and set the same MIDI channel so signals route correctly. This prevents phantom commands and ensures reliable control. You assign controls to match your rig by entering the GAFC Assign menu and selecting a switch. Choose whether it sends program change, control change, or toggles an onboard function. This determines how your amp or pedal responds. For external gear, map a CC number and value range, or map as PC for patch recall. Then save the mapping to the bank slot so it's persistent. Make sure to test each assignment immediately so you catch reversed logic or wrong CC ranges. You operate the GAFC in performance by using bank-up/down and the LED feedback to find sounds fast. Choose latch mode for stomp switches and momentary for tuner or boost functions. This gives predictable behavior during songs. Save a performance snapshot so recalls restore settings. If a switch doesn't work, first confirm the MIDI channel and cable integrity, then verify power and that the correct bank is saved, resolving those 3 fixes, most connectivity and recall issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.